The wait is finally over. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is officially here, and it's already becoming one of the most talked about compact cameras of the year. When the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 launched, it quickly became a favorite among vloggers. It managed to combine a large sensor, excellent stabilization, and a rotating touchscreen in a surprisingly tiny body. It was the kind of camera you could throw in your pocket and start filming anywhere. Now DJI is back with the next generation, and while the Pocket 4 doesn't completely reinvent the formula, it focuses on refining what already worked. So what's actually new? First, let's talk about the official launch timeline. After months of leaks and speculation, DJI finally confirmed the camera in March 2026, with the first launch taking place in China on March 26, followed by a wider global rollout expected in April 2026. At first glance, the Pocket 4 still looks very familiar. The compact body and gimbal design remain largely the same, but several practical upgrades stand out once you start looking closer. One of the most noticeable additions is a detachable LED light accessory. Instead of building a light directly into the camera body, DJI created a small removable module that attaches when you need it. This keeps the camera compact while giving creators a quick lighting solution for low-light situations, like indoor filming or night vlogging. Another improvement is the introduction of dedicated physical zoom controls. Previous Pocket cameras relied heavily on the touchscreen, but the Pocket 4 now includes a zoom button for faster adjustments while recording. It may seem like a small change, but physical controls can make filming much easier when you're capturing moments on the go. Under the hood, the camera still uses DJI's 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which has always been the defining feature of the Pocket series. That stabilization allows creators to capture smooth cinematic footage even while walking or moving quickly. The camera also keeps the rotating touchscreen introduced in the previous generation. With a simple flip of the screen, you can instantly switch between horizontal and vertical shooting, making it ideal for creators who publish content across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Battery life is another area where the new model improves. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 features a larger battery, which should provide longer recording times, something travel vloggers and content creators will definitely appreciate. And like previous models, the Pocket 4 continues to support a growing ecosystem of accessories. Creators can pair it with external microphones, grips, lenses, and mounting options, allowing the camera to adapt to different types of content. But of course, the real question many creators are asking is simple: is it actually better than the Pocket 3? The answer is yes, but in a refined way rather than a revolutionary one. The core idea remains the same: a tiny camera with powerful stabilization and excellent video quality. What the Pocket 4 adds are small improvements that make the camera easier and more practical to use every day. And while DJI still leads this category, competition is starting to appear. One device getting a lot of attention right now is the rumored Insta360 Luna, which could introduce a new approach to compact stabilized cameras. That kind of competition could push innovation even further. But for now, DJI still holds a major advantage thanks to its experience in stabilization technology and its polished ecosystem of hardware, software, and accessories. At the end of the day, the Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't try to reinvent the Pocket camera. Instead, it refines the formula that already made the series successful. And if early reactions are anything to go by, this tiny camera could soon become a favorite tool for creators around the world. Thanks for watching.